it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a new curling iron? I have one that has been doing a phenomenal job curling my hair. It is by Thirtek, and it is this really pretty pink 1-inch curling iron. A couple things that have really stood out that I love about this is one, the speed. It heats up super quick to 450 degrees because that's what I like it at. It also has a lot of variation on the temperature, so if you don't like the hot, it also goes fairly low as well. It's also nice that the voltage on this is 110 to 240, so if you're traveling around the world, you can bring this with you and it will work all over the place. I also really love that they added a little extra length to the cord, so I don't feel like I'm standing right next to my outlet while I do my hair. The clip on this did a really good job of holding my hair in place while I curled it. There's a nice grip so you can easily clip and unclip your hair. And I love that it auto shuts off, so if I do forget to turn it off, it's no problem at all. So if you're looking for a curling iron with tons of features, tons of things that make it just easier to work with, I highly recommend this one by Thirtek. But that's just my point of view.